Hi, if you want to hide the courses, you see here I have a lot of courses here, and I'm going to hide the first course here. What you can do, you can just scroll down because you can't really I manage my enrollment. Yeah, you can't really delete the courses from OL. What you can do is to hide them. Or you say we don't display it. So what you can do is just untick it. So this is my first course. Is that presentation? I'm going to just untick display on menu. So then I can again you can also leave the course if you enroll in a course, yeah. And then what you do is just go back to here, refresh it a bit, and just check whether my ATP is still there. So my ATP course, yeah, this course, the first course is no longer on display here. So you can actually just untick any of these and choose the one that you want to display on your enrollment or on your list. Yeah.